In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable background apps in Brave browser. If you've ever closed Brave and still gotten notifications or noticed your computer working in the background, that's usually because certain apps and extensions can keep running even after the browser window is gone. This can be helpful for things like mail alerts or messaging badges, but it can also use extra memory and battery. I'll show you exactly where the switch lives, so you can choose what's best for your setup. Start by opening your Brave browser. With Brave in front, look to the top right corner of the window and click the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is the main menu, and it opens a panel with the key options you'll use to configure the browser. From that menu, click Settings. Brave will open a new tab with its Settings dashboard, organized into sections on the left and details on the right. We're heading to the area that controls how Brave behaves when you close it. In the left sidebar, click System. The System page focuses on performance and hardware behavior. Front and center, you'll see an option called Continue running background apps when Brave is closed. This is the control we're after. To change the behavior, use the toggle next to that label. Turn it on if you want Brave to allow extensions and apps to keep working after you close all browser windows, which can keep notifications timely and certain tasks up to date. Turn it off if you prefer Brave to shut everything down when the last window closes, freeing up CPU, memory, and potentially extending battery life on laptops. The change takes effect immediately, and you can switch at any time. If you're on a portable device and need every bit of battery, leaving it off is a good default. If you rely on background updates, like a messaging extension that pings you when new activity arrives, enabling it might be the better choice. Remember, this setting applies only to Brave and won't alter your computer's startup programs. If you're ever troubleshooting high CPU or memory usage after closing the browser, toggling this option off is a quick diagnostic test. That's all there is to it. Open Brave, head to the menu, go into Settings, select System, and flip the background apps toggle to match your needs. A quick adjustment here can make your browser feel snappier or keep your notifications dependable, depending on what you value most. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a Brave browser that's tuned to your workflow.